Hi viewers, welcome to Gania SK YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use part cut in Tekla structures. Okay, let's start. Open Tekla structures with US environment. Okay, now we're going to create views. So click on grid, right click on mouse, create views along grid lines. Click on create and OK. Okay, let's take planet elevation 0 and select it and click on this arrow and close it. Okay, now we're going to take beam. So click on this beam and pick the first point and pick the second point at here to create beam like this. Okay, click on this window and select this 3D view. You can see currently we have I section beam. Now we're going to take rectangular halo section, so double click on this beam profile. Now I'll get the beam property at here. So currently we have W 16/40 profile, so click on here. Now I'm going to take rectangular halo section, so minimize it and click on here to maximize this HSS profile and click on here, and let's take HSS and click on here, and let's take this one, this profile HSS 5/5/1/4, then click on apply OK, then click on modify. You can see now I have the rectangular halo section here, and close this window. Okay, just like this. Now click on this window and select this planet elevation 0. Now we're going to take one more beam, so click on here and select this beam, and for example activate this option and activate this one also, snap to geometry lines, and pick the first position at here and pick the second position. For example, let's take at here. Now we're going to take one more beam, so click on here and select the second position at here. Before that, activate this option, snap to any position, and pick the position at here. You can take the reference point as you require, and you can place the beam. Then use the shortcut Control 4 for render this like this. You can see this portion is the intersection portion. Now we're going to, for differentiate, we're going to change the color of this beam, so double click on it, and let's take the class 2, then click on modify, and similarly we're going to change this one also. Select this beam and change the class 2, click on modify and close this window. Click on space, right click on mouse, redraw view. Now we're going to take one more beam at here, so select this beam at here, okay. Now I'm going to change the position of this beam, so double click on this beam, and on plane let's take right, then click on modify like this, then click on close this window. Now I'm going to change this color also. Okay, let's take this one, class 5. You can see now we need to delete this intersection portion at here and at this location and at this location. You can see in the 3D view also this part is intersected into this part, so we need to delete this portion. Similarly in this one also, you can see at here. Okay, click on window and select this planet elevation 0. Now we need to delete this portion by using the part cut, so click on edit and select this part cut. Okay, we need to cut this portion. It's this portion is belongs to this part, so we need to select this part, and we need to select the cutting part, so we need to select this one. So you can see now this part is intersection portion is gone. Similarly we need to do at here also. Select this part, cutting part, cut part, and we need to select now cutting part to delete this one. Okay, you can see this portion is belongs to this one, so we need to select this part, and then we need to select the cutting part to cut this portion. Do the same procedure right here. Select this part and then select the second part, this one, to cut the part. Right click on mouse, interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse, redraw view. Now go to 3D view. You can see now there is no intersection portion at here, and at this location also. Okay, similarly with this cut part, by using this part cut you can create the truss profiles, and that's it about how to use cut part in Tekla structures, just like this. Okay, if you have any doubts, please comment below. If you like this video, please like it and share it. For more Tekla structure related videos, please go to my channel, youtube.com/GhaniSK. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Under videos, you can find out so many Tekla structure related videos. I hope these videos might be helpful to you, and at the top right corner, please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when I upload a new video. So please click on subscribe. Okay, thank you.